Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use split screen on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use split screen in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your app store here and you have to search for a third-party application because your iPhone has not still the option to use split screen. So just tap on the search option in the bottom right corner and you have to simply search for split screen. Just search for that and you'll get a lot of apps. You just have to select any apps you want to install from here. So in my case, I have already installed this one with 4.6 rating, so it might be the best app. Just install it, then tap on this open option and the app will be open. Now here just wait for loading or if you find any ad. So you just have to skip the ad first. And once you have skipped the ad, you will get a this type interface. Now here you can use your browser in dual screen or a split screen. So for example, I'm going to open YouTube in my first screen and Facebook in my second screen. So you can see I'm using dual screen in my iPhone, but you can only use or only do browsing in your dual screen. You cannot perform any other task in your dual screen on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.